We're now going to go over the sale walkthrough form. The sale walkthrough form is basically what you're filling out the day of the closing or the day before the closing. It's just a nice little way of filling out all the information that was in good condition, or if there was an issue, the day of the closing or before the closing. You want to present this to the title company because if there is an issue or something that needs to be addressed, it needs to be addressed that day at the closing or before the closing. For instance, let's say when you get there, one of the blinds is not working, it's broken, and it needs to be replaced as per the contract. The title company would then hold $100 or $200, whatever it might be, in order for that to get repaired. When it gets repaired, it gets given back to the seller, or the title company might say, hey, listen, why don't we just give you those $200 and you do it yourself? But they need to know those terms. Usually it's something that's a little bit bigger than a blind, but you want to make sure that you fill it all out completely, that if there's any issue, it's there. You want to also make sure, and this is a very good practice, is that you take pictures of everything, that if there is something that is wrong, you take a picture and you attach it to it. It also is going to ask you for keys so that everybody signs off on the fact that they have keys. This is more of a protection for you as the realtor when you're representing the buyer, because you want to make sure that when you get to the closing, everything that was promised that was going to be addressed has been addressed. And also if you see something that's suspect, usually what I do is that when I'm doing the inspection, I take pictures of all the serial numbers of the refrigerator, of the oven, the microwave, and then the day of the final walkthrough, I go in and I compare it, make sure that it's up to par. It is not crazy that this has happened, that people will switch out a refrigerator, and obviously the buyer is very upset. So you want to protect yourself from that. So this is the form, and you can obviously find this on londonfoster.net under Office Manager, Forms and Contracts.